Alright, hey guys, this is Dickie's BMX back with you. This is my bike, and yeah, come here. Start off with the grips. I have Animal Edwin grips. I like these grips. They're pretty grippy, and they last a while. They're just starting to wear though. And then I have Animal Barons. I like these Barons because they have like a hole in it.
So hollow.
Yeah, they're hollow Barons.
Yeah, but you just said they're just holes on them, so.
And then my bars are Kink Links. They're really light. And I got my barbecue pit. And then I have my good luck charm, Jeff. And then the stem I have is Mission stem. The stem has been lasting a long time, if you haven't noticed.
Between like 4 other people riding the bike, like it's been through hell and back, and then gone back.
Okay, headset. I have a Salt integrated headset. It's a pretty good headset. My forks, I've been told, I don't exactly know, but I've been told they are a like Odyssey forks, like old Odyssey forks. So I was pretty surprised about that. Then my tire, I have a Odyssey keyboard tire. It's really nice. I completely suggest these tires if you're to get any tires. They are super grippy on almost everything. And my rim, it's a premium rim. It's really nice. I like how it's like curved, kinda. My spokes, just regular spokes, and then I have a gold profile mini SS hub, pretty sure, female axles, and main part of the bike, I have a Kink International frame. It's pretty nice, pretty light, just a nice frame to go with, just normal, nothing special about it. And then my got my cranks. They're just Eastern 3-piece cranks. Pretty good. Haven't had any problems with them. Nothing at all. My sprocket, I just have a normal Salt sprocket. It looks like the Bully sprocket, but it's not. It says Odyssey. I mean, it says Salt on the other side. Chain, just the standard KMC chain. Now my pedals, they are the Animal Stephen Hamilton Special Edition metal pedals. They're
sealed.
Really good, and they're sealed, so you won't have any trouble getting dirt or anything in them. And then what else? And my seat. My seat is a Shadow Conspiracy 1-piece. It's really hard. It's hard as heck. But I don't really sit down, so it doesn't really matter. And then my back tire is an Odyssey. Back tire is an Odyssey also, just like the front. And then just normal spokes. And then I have a Demolition chrome rear hub. This hub is actually pretty good as well.
What kind of back rim do you have?
Oh yeah, my back rim is also a, or it's not also, but it's
an Odyssey.
It's an Odyssey Hazard Light rim. Pretty good, I guess. I don't know, I need a new back rim. But oh yeah, my bottom bracket. Forgot to go about that. There's it. It's a United Spanish bottom bracket. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that was my bike check. Like, subscribe, all that other stuff for more weekly videos.